To perform the jumping pull-up, stand underneath your bar and prepare to jump. Explode down and explode up, gripping the bar and holding yourself as long as you can over the bar while fighting gravity on the way down. Hold nice and strong, squeeze those lats down, keep those biceps engaged and core strong and controlled. Control your breathing and complete with good form through all programmed repetitions. The jumping pull-up is a great exercise to teach your body how to handle a pull-up while combining the explosiveness of a jump and teaching your lats and your arms to control you in gravity. We've got a bar, let's get after it. Katie's positioned herself under the bar for the jumping pull-up. She's gonna explode down, grab the bar, hold herself over the bar for a moment, and then fight gravity on the way down. Let's see it. Excellent job. Notice how when she jumps, she uses that momentum to carry through all the way above the bar, and then she fights gravity on the way down, rather than letting gravity just pull her down and make her arms slack. Over time, this exercise will help you become good at pull-ups so that you don't need to jump to get over the bar. Nice job, Katie.